So, if you can't tell, we have ventured off to the art of animation. We're doing a staycation this week with family in town. We have two different suites. We had the Finding Nemo and the Cars suite. We're going to give you a little tour of both of them, and hope you enjoy it. This room will sleep 6. This is a full-size bed that pulls out down from the table. This is 565 square foot, this room is. It will sleep 6. As we go in here, that sofa is a sleeper sofa. It pulls out to a full bed. And you do have 2 full baths. This one is a bath and shower combo. And plenty of room. The bath has the toilet in with the bath and shower, and then you do have the vanity outside, so 2 people can be getting ready at the same time on this end. Still fairly spacious, as you can tell. These rooms run right around $450 a night right now. During peak season, you're going to see these rooms bringing about $800 a night. This room is very spacious. I do love what looks like snap-on tool boxes for all of your storage for your clothing and things of that sort, as the dressers, map tables. It's a nice feel. Then as you go along to the main bedroom, especially in the family car suite, you do have a queen size bed. You do have a nice size TV, of course lamps on both sides of the bed. You also have an ironing board, safe. This room does have the walk-in shower with the vanity and toilet, everything inside of the bathroom, but there's still ample enough room for a family of 6 to be very comfortable. And plenty for a family of 4. So, the Finding Nemo family suite. This one was a handicap room with the roll-in shower. Pretty spacious. All of these rooms are like 565 square foot. Now you could see that the living room is set up a little bit different in this one. Of course, you still have one queen bed, one double-sized table bed, and one double-sized sleeper sofa, as you see in front of us. The bathroom setup is a little bit different. Now you do have the shower and bath combo in this one, and everything is in the same room, but there's access The door is very large, so you could get a wheelchair in there if needed. But the other bathroom is really set up for that. And right around the corner here, you have your mini kitchenette, your microwave, your toaster, your coffee maker, your nice sized refrigerator. Now, of course, you can see you have your pull down bed that comes out. And of course, this is kind of what it looks like afterwards. You do pull it down. Very neat. It is actually comfortable. So, hey, families will be happy, especially if you got kids. Um, the room sets up, of course, you have the table that will seat four. You have plenty of storage where we have bags over there, but that box there has plenty of storage to put your luggage and things of that sort away. I did like the floors in these rooms. Of course, there's no carpet anymore, and they do have the theming of the ocean, especially in the Nemo room. Very bright, with a really clean feel. I think that's a positive note now, especially in the times we are going through. Of course, large TVs in the front room and in the bedroom, the main bedroom, that is. The bathroom, because it is a handicap room, which was available, is very large and spacious, as you can see. Easy to get in and around, so really, really nice touch. We were very pleased with these rooms, that's for sure.